Welcome to DIY for Homeowners.
We're mother-daughter projects.
I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And today we're going to show you 3 uses for this $20 smart home camera.
And then we're going to unbox it and show you just how easy it is to set up. But first, reason number 1. Okay, have you ever driven away from your house and thought, ooh, did I close the garage door? That's happened to me a time or two. But with a smart camera attached in your garage looking towards the garage door, you can just go to the app and you can see if it's open or closed. That's great peace of mind.
Number 2, do you have a kid or a dog? Well, I have a dog, and when I go away from the house, I have a camera set up where she normally lays, and I can check in on her to see if she's doing okay. The app also has a feature where I can turn on sound detection, so if she barks or there's a noise in the house, it will alert me on my phone, and I can check in to make sure she's doing okay. I can also talk to her, and I can hear her back, so we can have a little conversation going.
The third reason why you might want to have a smart camera is to monitor your kitchen. And what I mean by that is sometimes I've been known to leave the cooktop on or the oven, and with a camera positioned where you can see those things, you can tell right away if they're off or on.
There's also a feature in the app where if there's a smoke alarm that goes off or a CO alarm that goes off, you'll get an alert on your phone.
Now let's get to the unboxing and the setup.
We were at Home Depot yesterday and we found this camera, and what I thought was so cool is it comes with an SD card where you can record to that instead of having to record through a cloud service. So I'm gonna open this up and get this set up so we can, see how it works, because it was really inexpensive for a smart camera, so I was very curious at how it might work. So it's a very small box, which is cool, not a lot to it. And this is the cables, and there's a little USB charger there. Very cool. It looks like a magnet that you can probably attach it someplace. There's the little SD card, 32 gigabyte. Some instructions, getting started with it. And then this is the camera. Look how small it is. That is awesome. Let's get this open. And wow. Oh, there's a little bit of plastic on the front. Gotta get that off. Nice. That is a cool little camera. And there's the little stand. Can go in different ways. Very cool. So I'm gonna get this plugged in. Oh, okay, there's a magnet in there. So I wonder if, oh, it magnetizes to the bottom. Cool, so you could stick that somewhere. Something magnet. Very cool. All right, I'm gonna read the instructions and start getting this set up. So I've read about the camera, and now I'm gonna plug in the power cord. So this is just plugs in right here. And there's also a USB plug here that I don't know exactly what it's for yet, but I will find out soon. So I'm going to plug this in.
Ready to connect.
Well, that's exciting. New device. Camera. I already pushed the button.
Ready to connect.
All right. And I'm going to scan this with
Ready
my
to
camera.
connect.
Interesting.
QR code scanned. Please wait.
Well, that's cool. Nice.
Setup completed.
Wow, that was fast. Nice. All right, so I'm gonna put the SD card inside, and it goes right here. And there it is. The SD card is in. You can see the camera. Hello, working. And it's recording. That's very cool. Recording. Nice. The list price for this camera is $20, and then you can also get an optional SD card for $10, and we have the SD card, and what's great is it will record footage, the event footage to the SD card, or continuous footage to that card. So if there's something that you need, a video clip you need to share or do something else with, you can put it on your computer. And also if there's something cute your dog does, you can have that clip forever and ever. Like this one right here. Mac was excited to see us when we came home yesterday from lunch.
Now this is not a sponsored video. We found this camera at the Home Depot. We were just walking the aisles and saw it. We thought, how can this inexpensive camera be any good? So we bought it, we brought it home and tried it, and you know what? It is a great little camera.
If it wasn't, we wouldn't be doing this video. We would have been like, oh, returned. But we were very impressed. They also make a pan version of this camera, which I'm really interested in. So if you guys want to see a review of that camera, let us know in the comments below, and we'll probably try to get that one as well. So thanks for joining us. If you like this project and you want to see more from us, please visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com and subscribe right here on YouTube. Click the bell and you'll be alerted to all our new projects. Bark, bark, bark. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, 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 bark. That's how our conversations normally go.
Okay, you gotta keep that?
I don't know. You think I should?
That is so good.
It could be a blooper.
Yeah, that may be what it needs to be.
That may be a bloop.